Hello, children. I hope so that you are all fine at home. I am Pauline Victoria. Today I am going to take a class about the poem Ek Boond. Ek Boond is a poem written by Ayodhya Singh Upadhyay. He was also known as Harry Aud, and he is a great writer of Hindi literature. He was the chairman of Hindi Sahitya Sammelan, and he had confirmed the title Vidya Vachaspati. Ek Boond. एक बूंद मीन्स ड्यू ड्रॉप. जो निकल कर बादलों की गोद से. निकल कर मीन्स टू स्टार्ट. बादलों मीन्स क्लाउड. गोद मीन्स लैप. A dewdrop has come out from the cloud. ती अभी एक बूंद कुछ आगे बढ़ी. The dewdrop has come out from that cloud and it stood there. आगे बढ़ी. It moved forward. Third line. सोचने फिर यही जी में लगी. After it came a very long distance from the clouds, it is thinking. सोचने, thinking. फिर whether I have to be here? हाँ, क्यों घर छोड़कर मैं यूँ खड़ी. Why I have to stand here, leaving my house? The dewdrops is thinking in such a way. Repeat this para. जो निकल कर बादलों की गोद से थी अभी एक बूंद कुछ आगे बढ़ी. सोचने फिर यही जी मैं लगी. क्यों घर छोड़कर मैं यूँ खड़ी. This is a dewdrop that comes out of from the cloud and it is thinking about it. This is about the first para. Now let us move on to the next para. देव मेरे भाग्य में क्या है बदा. देव God. Oh God, what is my fate? भाग्य means fate. मैं क्या है बदा. Tell me what is the fate on me. मैं बचूंगा. Will I escape? या मिलूंगा धूल से. Whether I will mix with the dust. Whether I will be escaping or I will mix with the dust. मिलूंगी धूल में means mix with dust. Third line. या जलूंगा गिर अंगारे पर किसी. Whether I will be burned in the fire. Jalungi means burn. Whether I will be fall. Gir means fall. Angare means fire. Aug, fire. Will I fall into the fire and I will be burning? चू पड़ूंगी या कमल के फूल में. Whether I will fall into the flower. Kamal, lotus. Kamal means lotus. Whether I will be falling on the flower of the lotus. So, oh God, tell me, what is the fate you have written? I have come out from a long distance from my house. That is the one, the dewdrop is thinking about itself. Let me read this second para once again for you. देव मेरे भाग्य में क्या है बदा. मैं बचूंगी या मिलूंगी धूल में या जलूंगी गिर अंगारे पर किसी. चुप पड़ूंगी या कमल के फूल में. Now let us move on to the third para. बह गई was काल एक ऐसी हवा. बह गई means to blow. Call means time. Hawa means wind. By that time a wind heavily flow. वह समुंदर और आई and माने. It came in the seaside. समुद्र means sea. It came there with the great confusion and stood there. एक समुद्र सीप का मुख था खुला. When the wind blows, it moved towards the sea and it fell down. It is coming down now and it fell into the sea. By that time, Sheep. Sheep means oyster. The oyster opened its mouth. Kula. Kula means open. Muh means mouth. The oyster opened its mouth. वह उसी में जा पड़ी मोती बनी. It went inside and became a moti. Moti means pearl. Ja padi means fell into it. Bani means became. It became a beautiful pearl into that shell. Let me repeat it. बह गई उसका एक ऐसी हवा, यह समुद्र और आई अनमनी. एक सुंदर सीप का मुंह था खुला, वह उसी में जा पड़ी मोती बनी. लोग यो ही हैं झिझकते सोचते. लोग मीन्स पीपल, झिझकते मीन्स हेसिटेट, सोचते मीन्स थिंक. People used to hesitate and think. जबकि when उनको छोड़ना पड़ता है घर, when they have to leave their house. किंतु घर का छोड़ना अक्सर उन्हें, but no other way. Often they have to leave their house. बूंद सा कुछ और ही देता है कर. In this poem, what the poet used to tell us, that if you have to, when you come out and step into the society, you will be having many problems. You have to face many problems and you have to overcome with your hard work and with your confidence. So how the dewdrop has moved from its clouds, and with, even though it has hesitated, what it did, it moved forward, and with great confidence it has become a beautiful pearl. One day you can also become like a beautiful pearl when you do hard work now, and you can win a great person. One day you can become a great person in the society. How the booth has become a pearl, in such a manner you can become a great person in the society. Thank you. Have a nice day, my dear children.